It's December 31, last day of 2025, and we are finishing up this amazing project on this last beautiful sunny day of this year. Happy New Year. And check this out. We had a square downspout in there, so we put an adapter, then we put a reducer, then we put a thing like this so the customer can clean it. Once it's closed, it's out of the way. I'll touch it up a little bit. And doing wide bottom fascia here. It's turning out really good. We're doing max flows over here and no max flow by the front door. And check this thing out over here. We have a gate. We didn't know how we're gonna do this, but we also put a hidden clean out right there. So it turned out really good. Finishing up the last corner seal. This porch right here is super low. So we cut the gutter, lifted it higher, and then actually we lowered that side and then added some more metal. But yeah, check this out. You can't even see the downspout clean out on this. That is so cool. This is like my favorite part. There's actually a clean out in here. Very, very cool. We are working in the back as well. And this was super low, so we had to cut the gutters here too. But check this thing out right here. We have a clean out. Boom. And that's it. Got it done. Beautiful blue sky. Got everything cleaned up around here. So that's how it's done. Very nice job. Got more clean outs over there. Clean out over there. Turned out amazing. We'll see you next year.